What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do the Srt4 exterior cleaning. I had it for 3-4 days now, so I'm trying to clean it up because it's so nasty. Especially last night, I let it sit out here outside the garage overnight, and it was raining all day. So especially from that, I have to clean it. So now I'm going to do that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm only going to do the exterior today, so just the whole outside. Make sure it's really nice and clean. I'm going to do some cinematics. You guys going to enjoy that, and later on I'm going to focus on the interior because I know that needs to be also clean, because I want to get the old scent from the previous owner and whoever owned the car. I want to make sure it's all fresh and clean. So you know. So CJ cleaned up real nice. So now I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of cinematics. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. The most dirty thing that was in the car, it was actually the rims. As far as the car goes, like I said, it was dirty, but you know, like the rims was the most nastiest thing on the car. So I'm glad it's so clean now, and I like it. I would like to thank everyone that been on the comments, and like I said, I will reply to you guys, you know, about the car or anything you guys ask me. So it's like, appreciate that, because that's I like to communicate with you guys too, you know, make sure that I put out good content. I will listen to you guys to see what y'all suggest to do, you know, stuff like that. So thank you for watching this video, and another video will come real soon. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you for subscribing, and keep subscribing, keep sharing my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.